Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas tree decoration ideas I will share you. So I hope you will like my video. So let's start today's video. So friends, Christmas trees decoration ideas. Friends, Christmas classic and cozy. This Christmas tree is all about warm, cozy, traditional, soft golden lights, classic red ornaments, and a touch of evergreens come together to create the timeless holiday feeling we all love. Simple, glowing and full of Christmas magic. Christmas tree, snow winter theme. Here, Christmas tree inspired by a snow winter morning, forest branches, silver icing, and cool white lights give it a peaceful, eyes glowing. It feels like a quiet snowfalls capture rides inside your home. Elegant golden theme. This tree brings pure elegance to that room. Layer of golden ornaments, shimmering ribbons, and warm lights create a luxury holiday look perfect for anyone who loves Christmas. This with a touch of glam. Minimal modern, a clean and modern Christmas tree with simple ornaments, soft lights, and acclaim colors. Let's bring holiday charm without over. The space beautifully balanced and effortless stylish. Red and green classic. This tree celebrates the heart of Christmas. Color bold reds, deep greens, and shimmering lights that cheer for traditional look that brings warm and pure holiday joy. Woodland and nature inspired Christmas tree with wooden ornaments, sprinkles, and soft nature tone. It's bring the beauty of the forest indoors, cozy, claiming, and full of charm. And viewers, kids fun tree, bright colors, playful ornaments, and twinkle-filled lights. This Christmas tree is all about fun and decoration. Make it the perfect tree for kids, full of personalities and festive cheers. Christmas luxury, white and silver. Stunning white and silver Christmas tree that glow with elegance, crystal ornaments, shimmering ribbon, and cool lights, creative dreamy winter wonderland. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my video. So friends, Allah Hafiz.